Linux is a free and open-source operating system based on the Unix operating system. It was first released on September 17, 1991, by Linus Torvalds, a computer science student at the University of Helsinki, Finland. Linux is known for its stability, security, and flexibility, and is widely used in servers, supercomputers, and mobile devices. It is also popular among developers, who use it as a platform for creating software applications. One of the key features of Linux is its ability to be customized to suit different needs. There are many different distributions of Linux, each with its own set of features and tools. Some of the most popular distributions include Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, and Red Hat. Linux is also known for its command line interface, which allows users to perform tasks using text commands rather than graphical interfaces. While this can be intimidating for new users, it is also very powerful and efficient once mastered. Overall, Linux is a powerful and versatile operating system that has become an essential tool for many developers, businesses, and organizations around the world. Linux is a popular operating system that offers a range of benefits to users. Here are some of the key advantages of using Linux. Free and open source. Linux is a free and open source operating system, which means that anyone can use, modify, and distribute it without paying any licensing fees. Customizable. Linux is highly customizable, and users can modify its source code to suit their specific needs. This makes Linux a popular choice for developers and programmers who require a high degree of flexibility and control. Secure. Linux is known for its security features, and is less vulnerable to viruses and malware than other operating systems. This is due to its robust permission system and the fact that most Linux distributions are regularly updated with security patches. Stable. Linux is known for its stability and reliability, and is often used in enterprise environments where uptime is critical. Its open-source nature also means that bugs and other issues are often quickly identified and resolved. Compatibility. Linux is compatible with a wide range of hardware and software, and can be run on everything from desktop computers to smartphones and servers. Community support. Linux has a large and active community of users and developers who are constantly working to improve the operating system and provide support to other users. Overall, Linux offers users a high degree of flexibility, security, and control, making it a popular choice for developers, businesses, and individual users alike.